Hey there! Welcome to the SkillCareer channel, and thank you so much for tuning in. Today, we're diving into something that could change your life, especially if you're feeling stuck, short on cash, or just motivated to turn things around. How to start earning money in just 3 months. I know it sounds bold, maybe even too good to be true, but let's break it down together, step by step, in a real, no-fluff way. Because the truth is, if you commit to a focused strategy, work consistently, and adapt fast, 3 months is more than enough to build an income stream that's real, sustainable, and potentially scalable. Whether you're a student, someone who's unemployed, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking to escape a paycheck-to-paycheck lifestyle, this is for you. And don't worry, you don't need a fancy degree, a bunch of money up front, or even tons of experience to begin. All you need is internet access, a little self-discipline, and the willingness to show up every day. So here's how it works. Think of the next 3 months as 3 clear phases: learn, act, and grow. In the first month, it's all about learning and setting up. Pick one skill that has market demand, something like writing, graphic design, digital marketing, video editing, coding, virtual assistants, even voiceover or translation. You don't have to be perfect or professionally trained. You just need to be better than someone who knows nothing, and trust me, that's enough to start. Spend time every day learning. Use free platforms like YouTube, Coursera, Khan Academy, SkillShare, even just following creators on TikTok or Instagram who teach the skill you're learning. Give yourself 7 to 10 days to deep dive into one topic and then start practicing. Build a small portfolio, create samples, mock projects, or even do a free gig for a friend or local business. Create a basic online presence. Nothing too fancy, just a simple bio, portfolio samples, and maybe a free Canva-made website or a LinkedIn page that shows what you do. Once you're set up, move into month 2, and this is where action becomes your best friend. This month is about getting out there, offering your services, building experience, and making that first dollar. Sign up for platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, People Per Hour, or even remote job boards like Remote OK or We Work Remotely. Don't just wait for clients to come to you. Go find them. Send 10 proposals a day. Offer to do sample work. Join niche Facebook groups. Post in Reddit threads. Follow hashtags on Instagram or LinkedIn where clients hang out. You might start with small gigs, $20 here, $50 there, but each one builds confidence, reputation, and a sense of momentum. Make sure to collect reviews, testimonials, and create systems as you go. Keep track of your work, save your templates, and learn from every interaction. You'll also want to document your journey. Post your progress on social media, especially if you're in a visual or creative field. This builds authority and attracts attention. Now comes month 3, and this is where you double down and grow. By now, you've probably earned your first few $100s, and now it's time to scale. Raise your rates, improve your pitch, streamline your offers, use feedback to refine your service and deliver better. Reinvest part of what you earn, maybe into better tools, a course, or ads to promote yourself. Explore collaborations, referrals, or repeat business. If freelancing isn't your thing, maybe you started building a small brand, selling digital products, reselling items online, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, print on demand, or even coaching or tutoring. Month 3 is about taking what works and making it work harder. If you're doing video editing, niche down. Become the go-to for YouTubers or real estate agents. If you're designing, focus on one type: logos, thumbnails, book covers. The key here is focus. Don't chase every opportunity. Build depth, not just width. And let's be honest, there will be moments where you feel discouraged, maybe even want to quit. That's normal. But remember, 90 days of consistent effort is a small price for potentially changing your financial life. Most people give up before they see results, but those who persist, even just a little longer, start to see momentum. That first message from a client, that PayPal notification, That moment when someone says, "I love your work." Those are turning points. So let's recap quickly. Month 1, pick and learn a skill. Month 2, start doing, pitching, and landing small gigs. Month 3, scale what works and treat it like a real business. Stick to one thing, show up daily, track your growth, and most importantly, believe that it's possible. Because it is. I've seen people go from zero to earning $1,000, $2,000, even $5,000 in just 90 days by staying consistent. No tricks, no shortcuts, just real focus and hard work. So if you're ready to commit, I challenge you. Starting today, map out your 90-day plan. Choose your skill, block your time, and set your goal. Write it down. Keep yourself accountable. Comment below what path you're choosing. I want to hear from you. I want to support you. And I want this video to be the start of your success story. And if you found this helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. The next 3 months are going to pass anyway, so why not use them to build something that could change your life? You've got this. Let's get to work.